You get homework help. Bump, bump. Welcome to Homework Help, guys. It's Thursday night. It was a shorter week than usual, so we're almost done. Let's work on these last. Whoa, the computer's being dumb. Come on, computer, stop it. No, it's freaking out. Okay, I was about to give up, but there we go. It's good. All right, so here we are doing our homework. Sorry for that small freak out. Let's get to work. You should be on page 180 and 181. There's 3 problems to do, and they're going to be super easy for smart kids like you. Here we go. What is the sum of 7/100ths and 1/10th? Hopefully you know that sum means addition. Durr. And we have to add 7/100ths and 1/10th. Now, there's a special way to do this, and I just want to remind you of what's wrong. If you think the answer is like 8 over 100 or 8 over 110, no. You're not remembering what I taught you the other nights. You gotta look at this 1/10th over here, and you gotta say, man, I wish these fractions were more the same, then it'd be easier to add them. They can be more the same. All you have to do is remember the what?
0.
The invisible zeros, correct. Put those invisible zeros in the house. Now you can work with that. Remember, when you're adding fractions, the denominator should not change. It should stay 100. But the top will change. What happens when you add 7 and 10? Oh, it's too hard, Mr. If it's too hard to do in your head, just set it up like this. You know, one number over the other. And add up and down. What's 0 plus 7? 7. What's 1 plus nothing?
1.
The final answer is 17 over 100. And if you're a sloppy writer, and I have to admit, I am a lot too, and you're doing all this work and the page is all crowded, you should get used to circling your final answer. That way, when a math teacher is grading your paper, they don't have to go like, oh, what am I looking at? They can just go, oh, here's what the kid thinks the answer is. And then, you know, it'll be nice to your teacher. All right, here's a word problem, but we'll be okay, don't worry. Jared, Consuela, and Reggie have an ant farm. Jared collected 25/100ths of the ants for the farm. Consuela collected 6/10ths of the ants. Sorry, I burped. Sorry, I burped again. Consuela collected 6/10ths of the ants. What fraction of the ants did Jared and Consuela collect altogether? You know, I want you to notice something real quick about this. They tell you how much Jared collected. They tell you how much Consuela collected, but they never mention Reggie again. So Reggie's like useless information. He's just there to like be there for no reason.
Is he one of the friends?
Go back up there. Whatever. Okay. So all we gotta do is add. What are we adding? Oh, I don't know. Maybe the 2 fractions that are in the problem. 25 over 100 plus 6 over 10. So step 1 is to remember that you can make these fractions kind of the same. How do we do that? What do we remember?
Imagine 0.
Our invisible zeros. Put them right there. Invisible zeros. Now we can add these up. Maybe you can do that in your head real quick. Maybe it's better for you to line them up perfectly. 60 plus 25. Well, 0 plus 5 will give you 5. 6 plus 2 will get you 8. And you're going to get a final answer of 85. That's not all. 85 over 100. Oh, this is a word problem. What do you think the word we should add is? 85 over 100 what? What are we talking about? We're talking about... Read the problem again. It's obvious. We're talking about ants, fool. It says it like right there, right there, right there, right there. It says like 100 times. It's talking about ants. Last problem. I can't believe it's the last problem. I'm so happy. Yay. Yay for us. Heath has 100 trading cards. 7/100ths of his card collection is football cards, and 7/10ths is baseball cards. What fraction of Heath's card collection is football and baseball combined? Circle the letter of the correct answer. All right, so again, we're adding. You got 7/100ths, yeah. And you also got 7/10ths, yeah. And you want to add them up together. But Mr. Graham, the fractions, they don't have the same denominator. That's weird. You can make them have the same denominator by remembering, again, a simple thing. What should we remember?
The invisible zero.
The invisible zeros, put them right in. Now we can do this work very easily. 7 plus 70. Can't do it in your head? I mean, most people probably could, but if you can, it's okay. Just put one over the other. What's 0 plus 7? 7. And 7 plus nothing. 7. All right. So what's the final answer? 77 over 100. We're not done yet, though. We have to circle our answer. 77 over 100. Yep. There we go. D. Look, a little bonus question. A little bonus question downstairs. Ezra chose C as the correct answer. How did he get that answer? Well, he did a pretty good job. I'm making a video. You can hang out, though, if you want. He did a pretty good job because Ezra, is Ezra a boy name? Nah, I think it's a girl name. Anyway, she did a pretty good job. She remembered that 7/100ths plus 7/10ths is a lot like adding 7 plus 70 because of the invisible zeros. So Ezra got the 77 part right. But what Ezra goofed on is that she added the denominators together to get 200. When really, you're supposed to allow the common denominator to just stay, to just be the same. So let's write that. Huh? Ezra's a boy? Oh, duh, there's a he right there. Duh, Mr. Graham. Okay, thank you. Ezra, what do you do? Ezra added the denominators together. I'm around space. Denominator, sorry. Ezra added the denominators together. You're not supposed to do that. So I'm going to go ... which is wrong. And then, since Ezra is not a real person, since Ezra's made up, I'm going to call him a doofus. He's a doofus.
Which is a wrong.
He's a doofus. Which is wrong, sorry. I'm a doofus too. Ezra add so many typos. Ezra added the denominators together, which is wrong. He's a doofus. So if you don't want to be a doofus like Mr. Graham or a doofus like Ezra, do not add the denominators together. Let the denominators simply rest as they are. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Tonight's homework help. That's Thursday night, so that's the end of homework. I'll see you next week, probably with some more fractions. Bye.